The Gerald Desmond Bridge has been part of the Long Beach skyline since 1968, connecting Long Beach to Terminal Island. Originally built to replace the old pontoon bridge so workers could commute to the Long Beach Naval Shipyard more easily, over the years its role grew tremendously as the Navy eventually shut its base and the ports of Long Beach and Los Angeles transformed into the busiest seaport complex in North America. Quickly, the Gerald Desmond Bridge became a major transnational roadway, handling about 15% of all waterborne U.S. imports and tens of thousands of commuters each day. Not designed for this heavy traffic, and with only a 155-foot clearance over the back channel, it became clear that it was time to retire this graceful structure. To honor the memory of the Long Beach City Attorney and Council member Gerald Desmond, who helped raise the Tideland funds needed to build the bridge, but who died before its completion, it was named after him. His son, Gerald Desmond Jr., was asked to sink the final golden bolt at the official opening on June 6, 1968.
So this bolt I put in 1968 when I was 18 years old. I was a sophomore in college, and in 1968, for the bridge dedication, I drove down from Santa Barbara and they asked me to put the bolt in to complete the bridge. This is a lot of fun to be able to come down 50 years later to take the bolt out that I put in, and it's really fun to see it again, and I want to share this with all of my family.
In 1968, Gerald Desmond's son, Gerald Desmond, was able to put in that last bolt and during the dedication ceremony, and today he was able to take out the first bolt to be removed, and we were able to find that exact bolt, and he was able to take it out.
My family and I are very, very grateful to the Port of Long Beach for this ceremony that we're going to be having, retiring the bridge, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
The dismantling of the bridge will be done in phases, with completion scheduled for 2023.
The first thing is we're going to lower the center span. This is the part that's over the water. And essentially the contractor is going in and they're putting in strengthening so that the bridge will stay in one place. Then they're going to be cutting the bridge, and then they're going to be lowering it onto a barge, and they will be taking that barge out to the end of Pier T where they'll finish dismantling that portion of the bridge.
But even as the bridge is retired from active duty, it will live on in the memory of those who helped make it a reality.
Well, this shirt was a silk screen by my daughter Cecily Desmond, and the silk screen was made from a photograph taken by my mother, Virginia Desmond, of the bridge named after my father, Gerald Desmond. And Cecily made many of these shirts, and many of my family members have them. You know, this bridge has been a great honor for my family, and we've loved having it here. And we're very grateful to the Port of Long Beach and the City of Long Beach for remembering my dad.